Okay.
And we played lots of Minecraft together.
Hi, my name is Miles, guys. Thank you for coming to our second episode. I have a sous chef with me today. His name is sous chef Ethan. He'll be joining me today to cook Vietnamese Spring Roll Wraps, the fresh version of it. Pretty easy and simple to make. Most of the items here are cold, so there's no heat involved. Ethan had them last night, and what did you think of them last night, Ethan? They're pretty good. Anyway, it's very child friendly. It's also a great way to expose your kids to new herbs. Very summery and light. So why don't we get started? What do you think? Okay, let's do it. So what I have for you guys, I'll show you. Here is lettuce, some shredded carrots, an assortment of mint. I grabbed an assortment because there's a bunch behind my house. Cucumber. I use pork and lemongrass with garlic in this one. I stir-fried it all together. You don't have to use it. You can use whatever pre-made stuff if you can get it, or you can make your own. It doesn't really matter. Coriander and some noodles, rice noodles. You can easily YouTube these and how to cook them. They're pretty simple to make. The reason why I say you don't need any particular meat seasoning for the meat is because you have the mint, you have the coriander, you have the lime, and then you have soy sauce. So it should fairly give you an Asian flavor and experience, I should say. Anyway, let's get started by putting it together. Ethan, why don't you mix all of this together? So tell them what you're putting in right now. So right now, Ethan's putting in, what's this, coriander, right?
Coriander.
Yep. Throw it in. Okay. And what's that one?
Chopped up lettuce.
Yeah. Chopped up lettuce, yeah.
Carrots.
Mm-hmm.
Mixture of mints.
Mince, yeah, that's right.
Cucumbers.
Mm-hmm.
Cucumbers?
Yeah, those are cucumbers. Sliced them thinly. And some pork.
Some pork and some
Lemongrass.
lemongrass.
Yeah. Good. Anyway, so what essentially it is it's a giant fresh salad. So I'm gonna add some soy sauce in there, just a little bit. We're gonna add some rice noodles as well. And Ethan, why don't you just give that a big mix for me? There you go. Need some help? You know, as he's doing it, I'm going to lay out the rice papers. There you go. We'll do a bunch of them ahead of time, just so we can just lay them all straight. How's that salad looking, Ethan?
Good.
Good? Close?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Pretty close, yeah? Mm-hmm. Pretty close. So what you're looking for is this kind of mixture and consistency. Okay? And there you go. We'll take a little bit. Yeah? You can see like this, Ethan? Okay, you take, put some over here. And here. Right. Now you don't want to overfill it, because if you overfill it, what happens is it will burst. Ooh, Ethan, I see you're liking it. Okay. Okay, so let's start rolling them up together. Okay? So, here's the trick to rolling it up. You take the end, Ethan, here.
Yeah.
You pull this down. And then you press it on top. See it? See I'm pressing it? Yeah. Make sure it's tight, but not too tight. Okay? And then you take the left side, put it on top. There you go. And then the right side on top. Right. And then now you roll it slowly. There you go. How was that? Look at it.
What do we?
Look at that. That's Ethan's and that's mine. Pretty similar. So we're just going to roll up a few more, right, Ethan?
That's a lot.
It's a lot, yeah. Roll these.
It's fine.
That's fine, that's fine. And like I said, you know what? The more you practice, the better you get. This is probably my 1000th roll by now. So it took me time to get here. Prior to this, I made so many mistakes rolling these. But Ethan's doing a pretty good job. There you go. How was it? That's okay. That's okay. All right, and there we have it. So why don't we give this a try and see where we're at? Okay? We'll give this a try. Ready?
It's good.
What do you think? Pretty good? Yeah? All right. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you guys next week. Have a good day. Bye-bye. All right.